All right, today it is Monday, February 17th. Nice. And we're getting ready for IFO. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build back my aftercooler for the intake manifold here. I got the thermal gasket for it. I'm going to put the little O-ring spacers on here. Put the new seals on that, seal that up, and then put the new injectors on these gram plugs on the fuel rail, and then she'll be done. We just have to install it on the vehicle and load the tune and get it going. And like I said, I'm getting ready for IFO, so import face-off. It happens twice a year here in Bakersfield, we're in Fresno in the Central Valley. And I went last year, it was fantastic. This year I'm going to try to make it with the Supercharger. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so here I have everything we're going to be using to get this done. We're going to remove, by starting off, this gasket seal here. This one's actually still good. I could probably still use this one, but we got a replacement. I might as well just throw in the replacement. Bought the full rebuilt kit. Might as well just rebuild it. You know what I'm saying? So we'll remove this from here. Tore off. And then we'll hit it with a little Scotch-Brite to clean that surface off. That way we get a good mating surface on here. This is all falling apart. Nice. We'll spray this down with some brake cleaner, so we have a good, nice, clean surface to meet our new seals. Wow, yeah. Let me get that out of there. All right, I have this surface nice and prepped. Everything is cleaned off. Well, let me wipe it down a little bit more. All right, and there it is. So we're going to start off with this main seal here. Really don't want to touch it with my hands and get grease on there, but I'm going to slip that sucker right into place. Just be careful here at the welds. Sweet. And the bottom welds as well. We'll start off with these upper seals. Smack them right dead smack in the middle. We'll do the bottom one as well, and then we'll do the side one here as well. We'll insert everything back into here. I'm actually going to wipe this down first. Wipe the inside of it down, and then seal it up. All right, have it all sealed up. Got the seal kit on there. Everything is lining up. We got the bolts here. We're going to bolt this up. And that's basically it. We're basically done with this here. We just got to do the intake manifold gasket, put the little O-rings on there. And then install it. It's so simple. I love it. Taking it off and putting it back on is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes, sir. Just got to clean up all this hardware so it goes back in nice and shiny. All right, and Aftercooler is rebuilt. Shit, yeah. Let's put on the seals, and we just got to wipe down the blower, and we're good to go. That is so easy. All right, and these O-rings, they just simply go in. Simply go in. They simply just go in like that. A little bit harder than I thought, but this is gonna give us that good ass freaking seal, so we get all the boosties. Sweet. And there is some on the other side as well, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. Ooh, that was fun. Now we get to do the other side. I love it. Fun stuff. All right, and the easiest way I found to install these is to start up on top, fill it in, and then fill it in on both sides as you go, and it'll open up the ring for you just like that. Just continue to press it down, give it a little stretchy. Sweet. There it is. One step closer, man. One step closer. I feel like this is really, really fun. And the hardest part is going to be installing the headers. But I kind of have that knocked down to a T as well, so should be fun all the way around. Heck yeah. All right, and there it is. Everything is wiped down. Everything is good to go. We just got to find time to install it. Shit, yeah. Well, this video is going to be a lot shorter than I thought. We're just going to get everything prepped. I guess that's it. We got everything prepped. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.